guys, back to another vlog, and so today we are overhauling 2 quadrajets at once. So here's mine. So far, we've spent a lot of time cleaning up parts. It's really annoying, but at least it cleaned up really nice. And this one is 800 CFM. And this is my dad's. This is gonna go on one of our other engines. This is a 750 CFM, and we cleaned up this one too, so hopefully we can overhaul these successfully. So right now we notice that the back barrels on my dad's quadrajet aren't opening all the way, so this is how you realign them. Now that's pretty well straight. I don't know if you want to overdo it. Okay. I'm just now screwing on the base plate here. Those screws are in now. Now we're screwing in the jets here. We went with size 72.
Yeah, carburator and I, we came up with an idea to make a name for this car show. And
there we go. They're all screwed in now. So here's our special tool that we made in order to screw in the seat here. Now the seat's in there. Well, that's about it for tonight, and so tomorrow we'll work on it too, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe and have a great day.